I just stepped out of the shower with wet hair. Let me show you the Wavytalk Ionic Hair Dryer. Watch how quickly it dries my hair with its powerful airflow. The steam dissipates and my hair starts to feel smooth and shiny. Thanks to the Ionic technology, I can say goodbye to frizz. I love how versatile this dryer is with different styling modes. I can go for straight hair with the concentrator nozzle, or I can create beautiful curls using the diffuser. It even has a low heat setting for quick drying. Just look at how glossy and soft my hair feels now. It's amazing to see the transformation from damp to styled, from wet and frizzy to sleek and salon ready in no time. If you want to upgrade your hair game, check the link in my bio.